we got a really neat little package in the mail with a whole bunch of smiley faces, and they make me smile. And I'm also standing right next to the BarelyCuda because, well, it might have something to do with a certain t-shirt company we may have got hooked up with, aka Tony's Hot Rod Garage here on YouTube. I'm not even going to waste any more time because I kind of want to know how this turned out. So Tony's got a really sweet deal with a bunch of awesome YouTubers where basically he's handling all of our t-shirt merch, so that way Anna doesn't. He basically put Anna out of a job, which Anna might be happy about or she may be unhappy about. Oh my, I got all sorts of other stuff. Here we go. Tony's Hot Rod Garage on YouTube. Definitely go check him out. And the website is Gunslinger Graphix. Let me just, right here. Boom. With an X. So go to that website. Let me show you the first piece of merch I did buy that I want to show off, which is the Dust Devil Garage t-shirt supporting my buddy Brian. And
oh, that's cool. I like that.
I actually like this shirt. I think this is, oh, these are the same shirts that we had printed at our local place.
Really?
Yep, the same gilded shirts. They're, so yeah, they're really good quality shirts. I mean, there's nothing. So, now, I don't want to like overshadow Brian's, but you know, I spent a little bit of time designing this thing, and so, oh my.
I like the front.
Oh, you should see this side.
Well, let me get a really good close-up of the front. Look at that.
Just, you got to see the side I'm seeing. Whoa.
Holy, look at that. That is so cool.
Tony wasn't kidding when he said he could legitimately print a freaking photograph. Holy crap, the detail. Really
Look
paid
at
off in the
that.
Photoshop file.
Yeah, dude.
So if you'll excuse me for a minute, Anna, can you click that pause button? And here I am, and I ordered an XL, and I got just enough room. I like this thing. The logo is perfectly on my left man boob, so if you guys are worried about that, it perfectly covers it, so that way you only got to worry about this guy, which is easily covered by a man purse, or aka a satchel, but the back is probably, oh, I can only imagine. I got to stop designing my stuff with the designs on the back because I can't see them.
It looks good.
Does it look cool with the car in the background?
I
you
think
like stand back and like, yeah. So if you guys want one of these bad boys, that link is in the description below of every video from now on. There will be Jezebel themed t-shirts in the future, and whatever other cars, you know, I have time to design for. You know, maybe a certain 64 Dodge or another 64 Dodge, or maybe the semis or the satellite or the yard dart or dance charger or the van or a lane. You never know. I mean, we have so many different vehicles and only one guy can design stuff. Of course, we could have Tony design stuff because he does design stuff. So if you are another YouTuber out there interested in getting work done, you know, maybe getting hooked up with Tony, shoot him an email. Maybe get hooked up and be a part of the same deal we're a part of. Because I think this is an awesome shirt. I think you guys will be very happy with it. So I know I'm happy with it. So I'm going to go work on my 64 Dodge now in my BarelyCuda t-shirt. See you guys later.